Hi, I'm Steve Plumb, Editor-in-Chief of SME Media. I'm here today with Jack Burley, President of BIG Daishowa, on the last day of Manufacturing Technology Series West in Anaheim. Thanks for joining me today.
Well, thanks for stopping by today.
So I know you're a veteran of all the MT series and including the old West Tech, but this first time at Anaheim. How'd it go?
Yeah, this is our first try at Anaheim, and I think it's been a really successful show for us. And we're seeing a lot of dynamic customers coming through and talking to us about some of their problems and situations that maybe we didn't see in other West Techs because it's a little bit different location.
Yeah, so what's top of mind for them in terms of what they're looking for, some of the challenges that they're facing?
Yeah, I think they're all looking for ways to improve their processes, maybe with what existing equipment they got. They're looking for what's new from a tooling perspective. How can we change how we're doing it the same old way, maybe a better way without doing a big CapEx expenditure?
So a lot of the equipment manufacturers are focusing on automation and how to address the workforce shortage and skills gap. How's that affected on the tooling side of the business?
Well, yeah, that's what we're trying to do is make things easier for the customers to use. So a lot of our new research and development is always focused on how do these products fit into the user's hands so that it's not a big up time for trying to figure out how to use the products and make it more accessible to the operators on the floor. And that's some of our new products. We have the digital tools for our boring heads, which make adjusting tools so much easier, and users have no problems picking that up right away. We got some tool holders that are simple and easy to use without a lot of complexity with different ancillary equipment to use it. So these are products I think that we fit in really well.
And I understand you're introducing something for the first time in the U.S. at least?
Yes, we did. Here at West Tech, we have a new product. It's called our hybrid hydraulic shrink fit system. So it involves taking the best of hydraulic technology tool holding with shrink fit technologies, and we combine that into one tool holder so that they get the best of both worlds with one tool holder. It's kind of a cool product.
So typically you choose between the two. So what are some of the joint benefits?
Well, you're taking the advantages of the shrink fit, where you got usually the requirements of slender nose pieces getting into confined areas, with the advantages of the hydraulic clamping, which is ease of use, but also vibration damping. So you can build up some pretty unique looking tools that in prior examples with hydraulic or shrink fit didn't exist.
What's been the reaction so far from attendees?
A lot of interest because it is a unique product that they see a fit for it.
So talking about interest, what do you see looking forward in the crystal ball for remainder of 25 and 26?
I think 25 is going to be pretty similar to what we've had all year. It's still a little bit of uncertainty out there, but it's starting to stabilize a little bit, especially in the cutting tools. And 2026, I think, is going to be optimistically a little better than 2025. Maybe not in the beginning, first quarter might be off, but I think by Q2 things start rebounding, we get a little bit more stability, and people are starting to plan ahead again.
All right, well, I think we're all looking forward to that.
Yes, absolutely.
All right, thanks for joining us.
Thank you.